Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jovelyn Lara Ruiz. I'm 37 years old. I have 4 siblings and I'm the second one. My educational background is high school graduate. My experience as a local helper for 4 years here in the Philippines. I'm serving around 3 people in the family, Mom, Sir, and the 5 years old baby boy. I do also household tasks like cooking, cleaning, laundry, ironing clothes, mopping and vacuuming. Also take care's pet like 1 dog and 1 cat. Do also marketing and car washing. Send and fetch the baby boy to the school every day. Cooking food for mom, sir, and the baby boy like breakfast, dinner, and lunch. Mom and sir, if you give me a chance to work as a new nanny, I try to do my best to do my new duties and responsibilities, hoping to work soon with your family, Mom and sir. That's all. Thank you.